Today we will also continue with the chapter number 11, Caring for Environment, and today we will talk about 3 R's. These are reduce, reuse and recycle. And the first is a reduce. It means we should use all natural resources wisely. Okay, for example, water. Water is a natural resources and a limited stock is available. Okay, so make sure that whenever you people are taking a bath, okay, then use bucket instead of using a shower. Second is energy, like you people can use solar energy, wind energy instead of using electronic appliances. Third is you people can compose your own compost pit, which we have discussed earlier, and it is also providing a good quality of manure to us. Second R belong to reuse. It means to use again, and the definition is all those things which can be reused in any way should be made use of. And for the reusable things, the first example is clothes. If suppose your clothes which doesn't fit to you, do not fit to you, or are a old one, you people can donate those clothes to the poor people. And the second example is old cardboard box. Old cardboard box can be used to storage things. And the third R is recycle. It is a process by which waste materials are converted into new reusable form. Okay, and for example, as old newspaper can be sold out to the junk dealers or the kabadi walas, and they also we can sell to them our old bottles, glass, plastic. After recycling this newspaper and the papers, they will be turned into the shape of paper towels, shoe boxes, etc. And without these 3 R's, there are other some many ways which could be helpful to save our environment. First is we should plant more and more trees. As the number of trees will be increased, the good quality air we will get. Second is walk or use cycle. If you people are not going so far, you people can use a cycle to move one place to another. Third is we people can use paper or cloth bags instead of using the plastic bags for shopping. Fourth is we can make sure that there is a less use of pesticide and fertilizers. Fifth one is we can use the alternative sources of energy. These are solar energy and wind energy. We'll see you in our next class. Thank you.